This is a case of a ruptured cerebral aneurysm. The images we are observing now are called 3D images. They help us plan the best view we can use to treat this aneurysm. As you can see in this image, this is the best view I chose to treat it. We can see the aneurysm as this dark sac, and below this aneurysm arises two major arteries. The arrow here points to a microcatheter. This microcatheter is inserted into the aneurysm sac, and through this microcatheter, coils will be delivered. This is after treatment. If you remember the previous image with the dark spot that I referred to as the aneurysm, this dark spot now is gone after placing the coils in the aneurysm sac. And by this, we can safely say that this aneurysm is treated without occluding any major normal arteries that supply the brain with blood. Thank you for listening.